Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be assembling 10 different mixed odd charms. Got all sorts here. Post-apocalyptic smiley face, pirate skull with some barbed wire and e-waste dangle charm components, classic Coca-Cola bottle cap, some crystal droplets, gold plated, more gold plated material, recycled copper charm pieces, retro vintage looking ones, acrylic gems set within steel components, more recycled stuff. Same here, lots of crystals, very shiny. More crystals here again, acrylic, and some basic charms. Won't take long to assemble all these. It's only 10. Nice collection. Add to my considerable collection already. Do all the large ones first. That one's quite long. A lot of these use completely recycled components. Some of these things, like this smiley face, is found even on the street, so highly recycled material. Had to have a dash of paint on it due to it was quite damaged from being squished by many cars. So, has some history. Again, this was from the roadside. I had to add some paint to it in order to restore it, and some protective material. Also had to work it with some tools in order to add a hole to turn it into a nice charm. Look at that, quite nice vintage style copper charm. A lot of these chains are gold plated. You can tell by the shininess that it's high grade gold plated. Also some brass ones here and copper, pure copper. The copper on that one is mined from electronic waste, as I mentioned before. You can find lots of videos of me doing that on my channel. Quite nice, that one. A few more left. The arrow going through a love heart and a clamshell. Classics. Very shiny, because it fits the Christmas sort of theme. All these shiny things. that's the last one. All assembled. Quite the collection, considering. It can take long to assemble them all. Just do a nice close-up inspection of all these before I go. Just a quick video today. We'll be doing more soon. Likely more jewellery and some e-waste teardowns. Some more interesting materials of things I have not dismantled before. Mining anything useful from within them. So, keep an eye out for that. There's all the charms, and I'll see you next time.